Hey guys, this is K-Pop Cooknash, and right now we're about to do reaction to NCT 127 Fire Truck. Okay, I'm gonna die. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, I'm totally scared of Taeyong right now. My bias is gonna kill me. Whoa. No, Taeyong's like killing me right now. Oh God. No. Please. What the? Did not learn their faces and their names yet. The 3 new members, but the rest I know. So that guy right there, just kill me. Oh my God, Mark's hair. Mark himself. Whoa. Okay, I don't get what's in the water right now, but okay. Oh my God. They're just killing my heart right now. Oh my God, Taeyong, just Taeyong, please. Stop, Taeyong. Your hair is like killing me even more. Thank you for covering it with the cap. You know what's better if you shut up instead? It's like your voice. Whoa, this guy's voice. Oh my God, the dancing is like, I don't know, it's like it's so good. Their dancing is so good. Hey! I just understood what's with the water. There's a reason why it's called Fire Truck. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Never mind that. Okay, never mind what I thought. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with Taeyong. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please click the subscribe button down there, down below. And if you'd like to suggest anything, please comment in the comment section down below. And yeah, see you guys in my next videos. This was K-Pop Cooknash. Bye!